How to link family and friends on My Disney Experience. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, first and foremost, launch your application of Disney Experience. Make sure that you are logged into your account. If you do not have one, simply create one. Now once you are in your application, all you have to do is tap on the three horizontal line which is at the bottom of the dashboard screen. Go ahead and tap on it. From here, scroll down until you see the option of My Profile and tap on it. From here, scroll down once again until you see Show My Linking Code and tap on it. Here you will receive your linking code or your QR. Simply copy it. Once your link is copied, now you can send it to your family or friend with which you want to share or link. Once they have received your linking code, they have to do this following process. So to the family or friend with whom you have shared your link code, ask them to open up the family and friends list. Now from here, with all of the list of the family and friend, they have to go ahead and select your username. Or they can tap on Add a Guest, then select Scan their linking code. From here, tap on Scan Linking Code. So they can scan the code that you send to your family or friend, or they can just tap on Manually Enter Code, by which they can just enter the QR code number and complete the linkage process between you guys. And that's a wrap for this video as well, and thank you so much for tuning in.